In this video, we will uncover the mysterious world of botanical bandwidth bandits and reveal which plants could be sapping your Wi-Fi signal without you even realizing it. Yes, you heard that right. Your innocent houseplants might be the culprits behind your lagging internet connection. From common household plants to exotic species, you'll be surprised to learn how these seemingly harmless greens could be interfering with your internet speed. We'll delve into the science behind how plants can affect Wi-Fi signals and explore the factors that make certain plants more likely to disrupt your connection. So, if you've ever experienced frustratingly slow internet or unexpected dropouts, it might not be your service provider's fault. It could be your leafy companions causing the trouble. Number 10 on our list is English ivy. English ivy, known for its lush green leaves and trailing vines, earns the 10th spot on our list of Wi-Fi stealing plants. This classic houseplant is a favorite for its easy care and ability to thrive in various conditions. However, its dense foliage can inadvertently interfere with Wi-Fi signals, causing disruptions in your internet connection. While English ivy adds a touch of elegance to any space, its rapid growth and sprawling nature make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi signal interference. So if you have English ivy adorning your home, you might want to consider its placement in relation to your Wi-Fi router to ensure optimal signal strength. Number 9. Ficus. Ficus is a popular choice for indoor greenery. With its glossy leaves and elegant stature, the ficus adds a touch of sophistication to any room. However, its dense foliage and large canopy can inadvertently disrupt Wi-Fi signals, leading to connectivity issues. While the ficus is prized for its air-purifying qualities and aesthetic appeal, its broad leaves and thick branches may contribute to signal interference. The ficus's size and foliage density make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi disruptions. If you have a ficus in your home, consider its placement in relation to your Wi-Fi router to minimize any potential signal interference. Number 8. Peace lily. The elegant peace lily is known for its striking white blooms and dark green leaves, and this plant is a popular choice for adding a touch of serenity to indoor spaces. However, its broad leaves and dense foliage can inadvertently interfere with Wi-Fi signals, potentially causing connectivity issues. While the peace lily is prized for its air-purifying properties and low maintenance requirements, its lush foliage may contribute to signal disruptions. The peace lily's size and leaf structure make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi interference. Number 7. Rubber plant. With its glossy, deep green leaves and sturdy presence, the rubber plant is a popular choice for adding a touch of nature to indoor spaces. However, its thick foliage and robust growth can inadvertently disrupt Wi-Fi signals, potentially leading to connectivity issues. While the rubber plant is valued for its air-purifying qualities and low maintenance needs, its dense canopy and substantial leaf size may contribute to signal interference. The rubber plant's substantial foliage and growth habit make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi disruptions. Number 6. Bamboo palm. With its slender, arching fronds and tropical allure, the bamboo palm is a popular choice for bringing a touch of exotic beauty to indoor environments. However, its dense foliage and intricate leaf structure can inadvertently interfere with Wi-Fi signals, potentially causing disruptions in connectivity. While the bamboo palm is prized for its elegant appearance and air-purifying properties, its lush canopy and intricate foliage may contribute to signal disruptions. The bamboo palm's unique leaf structure and growth pattern make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi interference. Number 5. Money plant. The auspicious money plant takes the 5th spot on our list of Wi-Fi stealing plants. With its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines, the money plant is a symbol of prosperity and good fortune in many cultures. However, its rapid growth and sprawling nature can inadvertently disrupt Wi-Fi signals, potentially causing connectivity issues. While the money plant is cherished for its symbolism and ease of care, its vigorous growth and cascading vines may contribute to signal interference. The money plant's trailing vines and prolific nature make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi disruptions. Number 4. Spider plant. With its arching leaves and delicate spider-like offshoots, the spider plant is a popular choice for adding a touch of whimsy to indoor spaces. However, its prolific growth and cascading foliage can inadvertently interfere with Wi-Fi signals, potentially causing disruptions in connectivity. While the spider plant is admired for its air-purifying qualities and easy propagation, Its abundant foliage and trailing nature may contribute to signal disruptions. The spider plant's unique offshoots and growth pattern make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi interference. Number 3. Aloe vera. Known for its succulent leaves and healing properties, aloe vera is a versatile plant that thrives both indoors and outdoors. While it may not be the first plant that comes to mind when thinking about Wi-Fi interference, aloe vera's thick, fleshy leaves can inadvertently disrupt Wi-Fi signals, potentially causing connectivity issues. Despite its reputation for soothing sunburns and promoting skin health, aloe vera's dense foliage and moisture-retaining properties may contribute to signal disruptions. Aloe vera's unique leaf structure and water-storing abilities make it a potential culprit for Wi-Fi interference. If you have an aloe vera plant in your home, always consider its placement in relation to your Wi-Fi router to minimize any potential signal interference. Number 2. Snake plant. The striking snake plant claims the impressive second spot on our list of Wi-Fi stealing plants. With its tall, sword-shaped leaves and air-purifying qualities, the snake plant is a popular choice for adding a touch of modern elegance to any space. While it may seem like a harmless houseplant, the snake plant's dense foliage and upright growth can inadvertently interfere with Wi-Fi signals, potentially causing disruptions in connectivity. Renowned for its ability to thrive in low-light conditions and improve indoor air quality, the snake plant's robust leaves and vertical form may contribute to signal disruptions. The snake plant's structural design and growth pattern make it a significant contender for Wi-Fi interference. Number 1. Devil's ivy. At the top of our list of Wi-Fi stealing plants is the notorious devil's ivy. With its cascading vines and heart-shaped leaves, devil's ivy, also known as pothos, is a popular choice for adding greenery to homes and offices. However, its rapid growth and sprawling nature make it a prime candidate for disrupting Wi-Fi signals, potentially causing connectivity issues. Devil's ivy is prized for its resilience and ability to thrive in various lighting conditions, but its vigorous growth and trailing vines can inadvertently interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Devil's ivy's prolific nature and extensive coverage make it a significant threat to Wi-Fi signal strength. So next time you notice a lag in your Wi-Fi, consider whether your leafy companions might be the unexpected culprits. Remember, while these plants offer numerous benefits such as air purification and aesthetic appeal, their impact on Wi-Fi signals is a lesser-known consequence. By being mindful of the placement of these plants in relation to your Wi-Fi router, you can optimize your internet connection and minimize potential disruptions. Which one of these plants do you have in your home? Let us know in the comments below.